Now, hi, welcome to Mr. My ID YouTube channel. In this video, we're discussing about transform data using Spark in Synapse Analytics. Now, for mainly is using for data engineers, often for using Synapse Workspace, and mainly for Spark's notebooks, one of the preferred tools for performing extract and transforming of the load and extract, load and transform activities that transform data from one format or structure to another. Yeah. Before going to this documentation, just copy the git clone repository, go for Azure. You can see this is my resource Azure portal. You can see this is my Azure portal. Next, I go to resource groups. Now you can see these are all previous resource groups I did for DP-203 exercises. Now I go click on the Cloud Shell. Just close the previous one. Just open the new Cloud Shell. Now it's requesting a Cloud Shell. Yeah, just I'm trying to place the my GitHub repository clone path. Yeah, now I'm trying to give setup dot path for the script execution. Click enter. It's asking the password credential. Yeah, it's asking password. Enter. Yeah, it's navigating to our. Now it's creating our scripting of DP to not exercise on transform data using Spark in Synapse Analytics. Okay, now just we wait for creation on this. Yeah, documentation title will be this is the transformation we are doing, right? Yeah. Now you can see this script is still running. Yeah, meanwhile, go to the documentation of our transform data using Synapse Workspace. Now you can see the transforming of data by using Spark in Synapse Workspace. This is exercise part 6. Yes. Now for this exercise, what you are doing to what you did the provision of creation of your Synapse Workspace. After that, use Spark's notebook to transform data. But by transforming data, it's asking a download Spark transform.ipynb file. Actually, I already downloaded, but once again I downloaded it. The Sparks for ipynb. Just click on this file. Just click on download raw file. It's downloaded Spark transform ipynb. Yeah, just go back. Yeah, just file having some raw data. This is very simple exercise. You just go through the development page and import the file of a Spark transform.pymb file and run the code and executing the cells of the transform data using Spark in Synapse Analytics. Think script is still running. When script is running, completed, we go through the documentation of Spark transform.ipynb. I did right. I think this is a Spark. Yeah, Spark transform.ipynb file. This is coming to this exercise, transform data using Spark in Synapse Analytics. Yeah, firstly did this workspace created, then open Synapse and managing part. Check the Apache Spark pool and Linky services. Check the data preview. After that, download this course and go to development page and notebook and import options. You can import the Spark API. Now it's time to at this this very note is very important. The first code takes will take a few minutes to run because the Spark pool must be started. So subsequently cells will be run more quickly. This is one of the most important note for Spark pool at the beginning of the first cell running. Okay, for the transformation of Spark file, go through each cell and understand what is transforming the data in this. Okay, just see this script is still running. Wait until the script will be successfully done. You can see this is our resource group for the exercise 6 in DP-203. The DP-203 FN7Z PKGI. This is exercise 6. We did it now. We are trying to did now. Sorry. Yeah, still isn't progressing for creating script. When the script is completed, we executing the transforming of query of that file. I think it's take 2 more minutes to finishing the script. Yeah, it's mostly done. Yeah, script is completed successfully. Just minimize it. Just you can see how many resource groups are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just refresh it. You can add 6 one. Newest one. This is the newest one. Click on it. Each resource group must have one managed resource group will be there. Okay. For this exercise of transforming of data by using Spark, right? Just want to go for data lake storage. You can see what the container is having. Just the container. It's having the files having data having these files. Okay, that's fine. Go for this and go for Synapse Studio. Now open the Synapse Studio. Yeah, it's navigate to our Synapse Studio web page interface for doing the Spark and SQL pool activities and data factories. Yeah, now we are in Azure Apps web page interface. Now go to data portal. You can see the link services. Go for here. Go for files. Explore the files first. Go for data. You can also preview the file of CSV. This is the files you're having. Just close it and OK. Now this transforming the in files in Spark by using the file provided in this documentation. Just click on the plus icon, import it, data factory, DP-203 Spark transform, click on it and open. You just keep it the name as same. Go for here, just collapse this one also. Now before going to run about running, you can click on Spark pool, keep Python, publishing it, Spark transform as a publishing point. Here it's publishing our file as a Spark transform to development. Yeah, it's successfully published. Now it's time to get the what you're doing here. Transform data by using Spark, right? What you're transforming. Now get the load source data. Where you want load? I'm getting load from data. Data file having what is the data file having? Data file having the from CSV files, right? 2019, 2021. The files speak dot read dot csv. You're reading the files at equal to inform schema and order details limit 5. You have to see up to the 5 of records from this CSV file of the 3 CSV file, not the one CSV file. It's getting output of from the CSV files. Okay. Now still you can see now it's clearly looking. I can see transform data by using Spark. Load source data. It's loading of source data. You can see is still waiting few minutes for session starts. In this transformation, just loading of source data. After that, transform the data structures and save the transformer data and partitioning of data and use SQL to transform data. After that, dropped. Okay, it's still going. Just go before to go that. Just expand and open the files also. Now close it. Now expand it. You can see data file having only the CSV files. Okay. On this Synapse, both are there. Yeah, our Spark tool will be ready. Just wait. It's like just few seconds to executing of this query. still execution is in process. Yeah, it's execution successfully of our CSV files. Now transform data structure. How you transform by using PySpark.sql function, import SQLite and columns. You can see transform data. How you transform it? Here the first name and column name, and with the last name and column name, create a customer name. What I'm trying to just, you can see, run it and just observe it. What will happen now? You can see here in this observe it, the customer name having the first name and last name, right? Here what you do, first name is from split the column for the first name. You can see here the first name having the first name and last name having the last name. Here this is the transformation you're doing from the customer full name, the customer name, you can split first name and last name. Okay, this is the transformation I did in this code. After that, you can see the save the transform data where you have to transform by using write.mode or writing the park waiting format you will save, right? You can see from the files you have not seen any park files, right? Go for transform and run it. This is a transform underscore data folder will be created. Yeah, you can see. Just go for files once. Go for data. Come back files once. You can see transform data is there. And it's having the orders arcade folder. And it's having the files of partitioning files. Okay. I think you understand about how you can load and you can save. Having some partition, right? I want to go partition by one. Okay. How it will be? You commonly use partition data by using can SpiceBar.sql function import year and month code. Here dot with column you can here by using year dot and with column with month column order date where you have date limit 5 and write the partition by year month and now write partition by this values. Write dot partition by year and month. See first name, last name, year and month. Year is having this value and month. They are giving only limit 5, that's why you get this much of data only. After the transformation of data, it says partitioning, right? Just want to say how partitioning is going on. If partitioning to partner, right? It's updated. Whenever you're partitioning it, it's really updated to this latest ones. Okay. Just transform data. After that, you can go for reading of your files of partitioning of your year 2020 equal to March 20th. You can also get the data from the specific partition data year equal to 2000 and month equal to be every month. You can filter out like this, and also you can using transform SQL data. Just click on this order details, not type dot save as table. You can get the orders by using SQL transforming of data. Nothing is executed. I think I don't get output. Why so? I don't know. Just once again run it. It just is saving the files, right? Just go for files and go for files. Check, you can see transform data is there, and also sales under underscore tails table is created and then partitioning it. Okay, I think you understand about this order underscore table. Now what I'm trying to do, just to give another transformation by creation of SQL pool by using year as one and sorting by execution of codes or partition. This will be stored in its circular transform orders table. You can also go for here, files, transform order table. You can see the file will be updated on this time, right? 1251 time 1250, right? Whenever you are upgrading the files run or your partitioning done, it will be updated at the time of build. You can also retrieve the data from this using SQL magics. Okay, these are the values you are getting. Now after that, you must drop the tables of transform. I think it shows no data because the table having orders underscore table, right? The file click transform underscore order underscore tables sales underscore order underscore table. Then these are the correct orders underscore table. Now try to drop these tables. Here because these are the external tables. That's why it's showing like this. Okay, it's not viewed because it's external tables. It is created on your database, which is a multi-stone. You can drop the tables by using the drop table correct. Okay, again let's run it. It still it shows something else, but it's not required this much. It's just showing a no data available. That's it. Okay, just I'm trying to show you in the files. Yeah, all this data will be transformed, right? When you are executing of all the commands. Go for workspace, there is no workspace. Linked space external table will be created for this Sparks transform. That's why it's creating drop table transform underscore orders, drop table sales underscore orders. And so on. Yeah, it shows view not found, transform orders line. The both drop tables will be false. Okay, this is all about actually when it runs, it shows no data available. That is the only answer for this query successfully done. This is all about the transformation of files using Spark. I hope you understand this concept in detail as I'm publishing the script. Yeah, just I want to. This is all about the video of transforming data using Spark and using Synapse Analytics. Thank you.